have a situation where people, have less understanding of what is happening, to be honest. Now, what happened yesterday and the reactions that people saw concerning the issue of Bobrisky, to be honest, it is not so much about Bobrisky. As far as some of us are concerned, with all due respect, there is no one human being, that is big enough, really. Bobrisky, as far as I'm concerned, is very infinitesimal, particularly talking about the subject matter itself. But it is much about setting the record straight and sending a very clear message to everybody. We are those. There are things we are known for. Okay? One of those red lines for the average Edo person is the palace of the Oba of Benin. Now, many people may not understand this. It is a very difficult thing. It's almost impossible for an average Edo man, okay, to disrespect an elderly person or disrespect, a traditional institution, whether it's in Edo land or elsewhere. Now, the reason why this is because this is how a properly brought up Benin man, okay, is raised. We are raised to respect these institutions. Institutions, okay, that are attached to, traditional institutions and stuff like that. But at the very apex of them all is the palace of the Oba of Benin. Now, the average Edo man, okay, a well-brought-up Edo man, considers himself first as a direct son of the Oba of Benin. So any attempt for anybody to throw jibes or ridicule the Oba of Benin, okay, it is a direct attempt at ridiculing, an Edo man's father. And we, the Edo people, we believe very strongly that any child who comes around and finds that his own father is being assaulted, and that child folds his arm and begin to ask questions, that child is a useless child. What a responsible child does is to defend his father first and foremost, before any other thing. This is very important. So we put these things in proper perspective. I'm saying this because I did get some, messages, and I believe those people who send those messages, they're highly misguided because they have less understanding. I live in the UK, where we have a monarchy in the UK. The British people, they know how they, what they tolerate about their monarchy and all of that, and what they accept and what they don't accept. But you don't compare, on the basis of respect and what people, are born into, are brought up into. There are no comparison. As far as we are concerned, okay, the most dignified monarchy in the history of this world is the monarchy of Benin Kingdom. That's it to us. And so every other thing, maybe this, maybe that may not be getting, attention, as it were, as some people may expect it to go a certain way. Okay, it doesn't matter. Some things are just red lines, okay? And that is exactly what this was about. This broadcast I'm making right now, I'm going to make it in two phases. I just want to address generally, but I would like to speak to my Benin people, my Edo State people. While I'm expressing my gratitude to everybody, the way this matter was peacefully resolved, Bobrisky, I understand, left Benin. It's a clear message. It's not just about Bobrisky, but the message is going to go around that when you are coming to Benin people are very welcoming people. Just over a week ago, Two-Face was in Benin, invited for a program. He enjoyed himself. He had a blast of a program. Benin people came out to support him and support the program. And so many other people. Manifesto Unplug. Okay, those are the Doma. He is bringing a lot of people from outside Benin. Okay, the program I think is taking place today. In Edo State. So many people from outside Edo State are in Benin right now. Okay? And people are going to embrace that program. We encourage people to embrace that program and all of that. This is it. If Bobrisky had come to Benin, yesterday, goes ahead to do, what he had come to do, even stay a few days longer and all of that, no issues. No issues. Okay? But trying to, the palace of the Oba Benin is not what, we just joke with carelessly and all of that. I hope that he would learn from this and hopefully, correct himself appropriately. And again, I personally was very enraged, because even when he apologized, the whole thing was just a mockery. And that was not a good thing. So, any other time, okay, when this dust settles, of course, he's welcome to Benin if he's got a program to do in Benin. And of course, everybody who's coming to Benin should learn from this story to understand that, for the Edoma, there are things we joke with and things we don't joke with. And for a few persons who observed and, of course, notified me to say that I used F word in my broadcast yesterday, and I had my children in the car and stuff like that. Yeah, I took note of that. The heat of the moment, I really was angry because I had just watched Bobrisky and his utterances and what he called apology, which was not acceptable. And so, honestly, I take that on board. It's something I need to take very strong note of. I think it was the heat of the emotions and anger. And for those persons who may find that a bit, look, I apologize. I shouldn't really have used the F word. It wasn't appropriate at all. I really apologize for that. I hope it's not going to happen again. But that's for that on the Bobrisky side. I'd like to now, with all due respect to everybody, I'd like to now, talk to Edo people, and I'm going to speak vernacular. Ibi Edo nuzomo wabe venerechai. Iniwo ekmonwosa no bioriahi no ye lamte riova na te kome lamte. Emi bunosum no de not concerne no kame ohana ni ati Bobrisky. Ika abo mo Ibi Edo ni bun ni egbe ladian. Na ya mewe e mata na ado amwe sutomi no ga ye edo ya sinwe woma oma no tie no me do say metani we oma tie maere usome inonya ukbara tie usome no manya oya eku me na ga hin we know them Ibi Edo ni bugele ladian do simse ne egwaba won Usawesi or remind me makegbe ibe kabo mo iman ibe do state ni bun kati ibe san ni bun ni le gbe la do ka we awa wa na ni mahia fefefe wa ya wa wesi le ba se ba ibe kabo mo ibe do ni bun kati ibe do ni bun ni re utedo ni le gbe la do ya mi we emena azouze mino heki omori abi ariri abi ogene mino heki amai iye bata amai gbinata amai abeta amai ibino wegbeta ana eme we olowo ma omuhe omuweregbe ori na bulufu aba emno ya we hian zedo ni begudie do ma evie we ma gon ewe edo we iran vunyan en la o Ima oni ye butale na honestly na we ni ye do ta edo we iremo vun iyan lao ebi no ye gbe kan gbe zeri nu de ya mwe gbede so no gbe no kan won kana ti Bobrisky Maria ma gwiyo Maria hiyo kakabo so pa no I total na so ira ari wona na so ma pe ni so wa ika ina ka bo mu pa mu were ge e mata ma wo na eta emi no sunu na to wagege isunu osunu na we ivie wi mani bun kati emotion no yina ma kukwesi ni re mi social media na ma okude na buzana no do alate do na mi no gba ivie wi mani bun ware social media na Edo we awe hwe moji mi no motion. That money bru my gwan oma rie ma we ima kon. Emi no sunu na. Osunu runda we ivie do ni bun iya we no so na. Usu mi na we ni Bobrisky una. Ivie do ni bu we no so. Ono se lata bana we no nya magati osun me no manya oya heku. Ima if only last fena we wage ona no sunu na wage usumi no do na do ka bori we nya no na mekina ya igualute mi no hia ebi ni me uno de iri akiri meri ya no de ye mi no sunu ewe eru de mi ni Bobrisky u hunde ebi ni ma ga ebi do no bi higbona ba hwe bi ya hwe be de no lele ma toy Bobrisky obokbania ivie do ni bun waro ni wa mu edogboto ni wari ozagie egwabawa ni wa we ni no ma heke ni social media